landed. Yay!
Good morning, everyone. It is our great pleasure to welcome you to Rome. The local time is 9:05 a.m. There has been a 6-hour time change from New York City. Would you please stay seated with your seatbelts fastened and carry-on items stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Also, please be careful when opening the overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during the flight.
We made it.
And please ensure that you have all the items that you brought on board, all of your personal belongings, before you deplane today. You may use the Fly Delta app for important baggage and connection information. Our goal is to continually improve your travel experience. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback.